Do Prince Harry, Prince William and King Charles resent Prince Andrew? The relationship between Prince Andrew and his older brother, King Charles, has been a source of speculation and controversy for years. The two princes have often been portrayed as rivals, with different personalities, interests, and views on the role of the monarchy. Prince Andrew, who served in the Royal Navy for 22 years, has been seen as more outgoing, adventurous, and rebellious, while King Charles, who has been preparing to be king since he was a child, has been seen as more serious, thoughtful and dutiful. However, despite their differences, the brothers have also shown signs of loyalty and support for each other. For example, when King Charles ascended the throne in 2022 after the death of their mother, Queen Elizabeth II, Prince Andrew was one of the first to congratulate him and pledge his allegiance. He also accompanied him on several official engagements, such as the state visit to France in 2023. According to a friend of Prince Andrew, it has never been the case that King Charles and his younger brother had a rivalry. However, the friendship between the brothers has been tested by the scandal surrounding Prince Andrew's association with convicted sex offender Jeffrey Epstein. In 2019, Prince Andrew gave a disastrous interview to BBC Newsnight, in which he denied having sex with one of Epstein's accusers, Virginia Giuffre, who claimed she was trafficked to him when she was 17. He also said he did not regret his friendship with Epstein, who killed himself in prison while awaiting trial on sex trafficking charges. The interview sparked a public outcry and led to Prince Andrew stepping back from his royal duties for the foreseeable future. He also faced legal action from Giuffre, who sued him for sexual assault in a New York court in 2021. Prince Andrew has denied all allegations and said he would fight the case. The scandal has reportedly caused a rift between Prince Andrew and King Charles, who is said to be determined to slim down the monarchy and distance it from any controversy. According to reports, King Charles is considering a change to demote Prince Andrew from his position as a Counselor of State, a role that allows him to act on behalf of the monarch when he is absent or incapacitated. King Charles is also said to be planning to evict Prince Andrew from his home at the Royal Lodge in Windsor Great Park, which he shares with his ex-wife Sarah Ferguson. Prince William, the second in line to the throne and King Charles' eldest son, is also said to be supportive of his father's decision to sideline Prince Andrew. Prince William, who has been taking on more responsibilities as a future king, is reportedly keen to protect the reputation and image of the monarchy from any damage caused by his uncle's scandal. He is also said to be close to his father and share his vision of a more modern and streamlined royal family. However, not all members of the royal family are in agreement with King Charles' treatment of Prince Andrew. His sister, Princess Anne, who was very close to their mother and accompanied her on her final journeys before her death, is said to be one of his most trusted advisors and loyal supporters. Princess Anne, who is known for her hard work and no-nonsense attitude, is reportedly opposed to King Charles' plan to demote Prince Andrew from his role as a Counselor of State. She is also said to be sympathetic to her brother's plight and believes he deserves a fair trial. The scandal involving Prince Andrew has undoubtedly strained the relationship between him and his brother King Charles, as well as his nephew Prince William. However, it is not clear whether they resent him or simply want to distance themselves from him for the sake of the monarchy. It is also possible that they still care for him as a family member and hope that he can clear his name and restore his reputation. The media and the public may never know the full extent of their feelings towards him or how they communicate with him behind closed doors.